The Ruby Sipper, not to be confused with Dorothy's Ruby Slippers, this cocktail is named after what it really is, a true gem. So grab your cocktail glass because we're ready to shake things up. We're going to start with 1 maraschino cherry and a bar spoon of cherry syrup. Add 2 ounces of bourbon. Add 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Add a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Add our ice ball. Cherry, bourbon, and vanilla. Count me in! The Ruby Sipper cocktail is officially Queen Bee approved.